first Formula One car. They were a small team, but they did have some designing talent. At a rain-soaked Monza Grand Prix in 1984, Alan Prost was leading, but was having brake balance problems, which meant he was slowing down. And Ayrton Senna, lap by lap, was catching him up. Stefan Beloff behind him was catching up Senna. But this was the drive that captured the attention of the Formula One world, and was when Ron Dennis first noted that maybe Senna would be a driver that he would like to employ for McLaren someday. Don't stop him, don't stop him. We might never get him going again. It's got a four-cylinder turbocharged engine, but was way down on power compared to the front-running teams. But of course, in a rain-soaked race, power is always what you need. And Senna's superior car control meant that he could keep driving faster and faster in those conditions. Jackie Hicks controversially stopped the race after only about a third of the distance. Some people thought it was a political thing to make sure that the Porsche engine McLaren won when he was a Porsche driver.